What is up, everyone? It's Emily here with TravelAndLedger, and I am coming at you from Cancun Airport in Mexico. Things are starting to get back to normal, so you're going to see a lot of crowds when you go to the airport. So what I would suggest doing is going to one of the machines, because they are going to staple all of your paperwork together now that we have to have all of our COVID stuff and all that. The day I was flying, there was a lot of delays, so I was a little nervous, but security was super easy to go through. And make sure you watch out for this. It's the visit tax, but whenever you stay at a resort, it's already included in your price. They'll even tell you they charge you for the tax. So just make sure you don't get suckered into that, because they do have you scan it just like a QR code. So they try to get you to pay on your way up to security. Cancun Airport has one of my favorite duty frees. They have almost everything you could think of. As you walk straight in, you're going to run right into Margaritaville. There's a few shops over here. This is kind of the main center of the airport. And this shop right here is my favorite shop. I always find really good stuff there and really good souvenirs. These are my favorite nuts ever. They have kind of like an outside shell on them, and the hot nuts have this awesome seasoning. It's super spicy. They have all kinds of flavors, and I always make sure I get a ton of those nuts whenever I'm here. This was the shops that I was talking about. When I was there, it was the Christmas season, so they had a whole bunch of ornaments and all sorts of Christmas stuff out, so that was really cool to see. I hadn't seen that before, so you'll see that as we go forward in the video. But it was really cool because they had mangers too, which I thought was awesome, and they were all on sale. They always have some sort of Cancun something or other set up here, so you could take selfies to post on social media and all that fun stuff. It's usually located over here in the food court. Over here, they'll also have charging stations. You'll see these kind of scattered throughout the airport, but I love that they have that. I always go to Marketplace because I really like the size of their wraps, and I usually bring it on the plane with me. And yes, I always go to their Starbucks. I love to see what kind of food they have or what kind of drinks that they have here that they don't have back home. They have all sorts of food here. They even have vegan food here, so you'll definitely find something to eat at the airport if you're hungry. If you're not ready to go inside yet, you can go outside at Guy Fieri's. They have a smoking patio, but it is a lot of smoke. It's only smokers out there, but I sometimes go out there just to tan a little bit longer. You'll see that there's shops and history and artwork scattered all throughout their airport. And their airport isn't huge, so if you want to go walk around and explore, I would say from one side to the other, it's about 20 minutes top to walk from side to side.
To protect yourself and others from the risk of infection, please remember to keep a safe distance of 5 feet from the people around you at all times.
There are plenty of bathrooms here. A lot of people tend to just go to the same bathroom, so there's always a big line, especially over by the food court. But there's plenty of bathrooms, guys, so just look around and find one that doesn't have a line. And remember, in Mexico, do not put the paper in the toilet. Put it in the bin next to the toilet. That is what the bin is for, because otherwise that toilet will not flush and you will be stuck with all the water coming back up. So just to warn you, I've seen it happen. Just put the paper in the bin.
Debido a los requerimientos actuales de salud, todos los pasajeros y usuarios en general deberán usar un
They do double check all of your paperwork, so that's why, again, I said that they staple it all together. So just have it out and ready because you're gonna have to show it to everybody. Any flight I've ever had in Cancun, I usually have to shuttle over to the plane, so be prepared to shuttle over. And it's not that far. I mean, it's maybe like a 10 minutes to the plane. So once you're on the bus, just know that you're going to get to see all the different planes and all the different airlines. I felt really safe the whole time I was in Cancun, so don't be afraid to come here. It's really safe. They're very cautious with masks and everything. And here I go, back to US.